You can crush pull-ups, your abs are sliced, and your arms are looking veiny. But if you skip leg day, you don't look like an athlete, bro. You look like a Wi-Fi signal, strong on top, but weak at the bottom. A lot of guys dodge leg day because it sucks, it's brutally hard, or honestly, no one's looking down there, right? But that's exactly what makes their whole physique look incomplete. Your legs aren't just there to hold you up. They're the foundation for your strength, your balance, your endurance, and honestly, even how good your upper body looks. When you train your legs, you aren't just building muscle, you're flipping the on switch for your whole system. Because your legs, they're the biggest muscle group on your body, period. And when they go to work, your whole body wakes the hell up. First up, hormones. Every time you grind out a squat or a deadlift, you're sending a signal straight to your brain. It's like an emergency alert. We need more testosterone, more growth hormone, now! These are the compounds that make you stronger, leaner, and more energetic. Without that spike, you could do 100 chest workouts and you'll still hit a wall. Second, metabolism. After a solid leg session, your body is running on overdrive for the next 24 hours. You could be lying on a couch scrolling through memes and your body is still torching calories. It's like bonus cardio that just happens automatically. Third, endurance and power. Strong legs mean you hit the stairs without getting gassed. You can run and feel like your body is actually under your control. It's your hidden energy vault. It's always there. And finally, proportions. Your legs are what make you look like an athlete. You can have abs and boulder shoulders, but without the base, it just looks off. It's like a luxury car on bicycle tires. You want strength below to match the control above. So when you skip leg day, you aren't saving energy. You're slowing your gains, tanking your metabolism, and throwing away your real athletic potential. And don't even think about swapping real work for a little jog or a bike ride. It's not the same. Cardio won't build real density in your quads and glutes. Without real resistance, those muscles just don't grow. So warming up isn't a waste of time. Listen, your legs are the biggest movers on your frame. If you walk up to a barbell and just start squatting cold, they're basically asleep. Cold muscles are slow, weak, and tear easily. Warm muscles are fast, strong, and responsive. We're not talking about stretching for half an hour or jumping around like a cardio bunny. Just 3 to 4 minutes, that's all it takes to flip the switch. Here's a dead simple routine. 30 seconds of jumping jacks or running in place. Just raise your core temp. 10 easy bodyweight squats just to wake up the joints. 10 lunges, get the balance dialed in. Boom, you're ready. And one more thing, this isn't just for your body, it's for your head. Those 3 minutes are when you shut out the noise, phone down, focus on the work. That's what makes a workout actually count. If you want gains without the hospital bills, start with the 3 minutes that change everything. You don't need 100 different exercises to build strong legs. You just need one solid move for each area. Front side, back side, glutes, calves. I'll give you 2 options, one for the gym, one for home. 1. Quads, the front. Home, bodyweight squats. Feet a bit wider than hips, toes slightly out, chest up. If you can knock out 30 without breaking a sweat, add weight. Grab a backpack, a dumbbell, a water jug. Gym, barbell back squat. Bar on your traps, spine neutral. Break parallel. Pick a weight where the last 2 reps are a grind, but you don't look like a wobbly giraffe. 2. Backside, hamstrings and glutes. Home, good mornings. Bodyweight, hands behind your head, hinge at the hips. Keep that back flat. Slow tempo, 2 seconds down, squeeze up. You can load up a backpack and hold it to your chest. Gym, Romanian deadlifts, RDLs. Soft knees, bar glued to your legs, hinge at the hips. Use a weight you can control at the bottom. Don't just drop it, you're not a crane. 3. Glutes, the engine. Home, glute bridges. At the top, your torso and thighs make a straight line. Squeeze and hold for a second. Make it spicy by putting your feet on the couch or going single leg. Gym, glute ham raise or back extension. Short, controlled range of motion. Rise until you're a straight line.
No arching your back like a cat. Start with no weight, then hug a plate. 4. Calves, the foundation. Home, standing calf raises. Body weight, full range. Pause at the top for a sec. Slow on the way down. Easy? Go one leg at a time or grab that loaded backpack. Gym, standing calf raise machine. Full stretch, big pause at the top, slow negative. Pick a weight where you feel the burn around rep 12. The main thing here is control, not speed, not ego. Every rep needs to be deliberate. When you actually learn to feel the muscle working, you'll grow faster from any fancy new exercise. Biggest mistake? Hitting legs once a month and then wondering why they look the same. Legs are no different from your arms. They need rhythm, not random bursts of motivation. If you're a beginner, once a week is plenty. The key is consistency. Pick a day, call it leg day, Saturday, whatever. One rule, if you skip it, you just delayed your progress by a full week. If you're already training regularly, add a second day. Maybe Monday is your heavy day, squats, deadlifts, bridges. Thursday is your light day, bodyweight stuff, focusing on form and blood flow. Why is that enough? Because legs are massive. They need time to actually recover. If you smash them hard every single day, you're not growing, you're just digging a hole. Work, eat, sleep, recover, repeat. That's the formula. The golden rule? Never skip leg day. You can skip cardio, you can miss abs, but if you skip leg day, you're moving back.
You can do every single exercise perfectly, but if you don't set the right conditions, it's pointless. Sleep. You need at least 7 to 8 hours. When you sleep, your body dumps growth hormone. That's when it repairs the torn fibers, strengthens the joints, and makes the muscles denser. Want faster results? Don't scroll TikTok until 2 a.m. Food. No fuel, no growth. Legs are the biggest muscles. They demand the most resources. Protein builds the muscle. Carbs give you the energy to actually move the weight. Fats keep your hormones humming. Eat clean, eat consistently, eat enough. If you want to grow, track your protein. Aim for at least 1.6 to 2 grams per kilo of body weight. Remember, eating like a bird means you'll look like one. No gains. And it's not just about eating. It's about progressive overload. Muscles don't grow just because you felt a burn. They grow because you demanded a little more than last time. Add 1 rep, add 2.5 kilos, shorten your rest. That's progress. Don't try to jump 20 kilos at once and blow your back out. Your body loves gradual change. Today, plus 1%. In a month, you're a different animal. Slow down. The way down isn't a rest break, it's work. The more precise you are, the more muscle fibers you light up. When you train legs, think about your legs. Don't stare at your phone between sets. Don't just listen to the music. If your head isn't in the game, your muscles check out too. Learning to actually feel the movement is the skill that doubles your results. And don't just bolt for the door after your last set. Spend 5 minutes stretching. It kickstarts your recovery right away. Muscles get more flexible, joints feel better, and that heavy, stiff feeling disappears. Stretching isn't a waste of time. It's an investment in your next workout. And most importantly, patience. Leg growth is slow. You won't see crazy changes in a week, but in a month or two, you'll feel your body changing. You'll walk differently. You'll stand differently. Legs are your foundation, and a foundation takes time to pour, but once it's set, it lasts forever. So, if you want real results, sleep, eat, stay in control, and repeat. You won't just build legs, you'll build a body that actually looks and moves with real functional strength. You can pump your chest and curl your arms all day long, but without strong legs, you don't look like an athlete. Don't build your dream body on a weak foundation. If this video helped you realize you need to stop skipping the grind, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Drop a comment and tell me the truth. How often do you really train your legs? Don't lie, YouTube sees everything. And remember, to fix your life, you gotta fix your core.